Hey, what's up, everybody? In this week's episode, it is going to be absolute chaos. We still have to get Vanilla Trail up and running. We just got the keys for Brighton, and on top of all of that, I have some crazy news I have to tell you. But before I do, what I need you to do right now is I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to like this video and drop a comment if you want as well. Okay, so before I tell you guys all the news and everything like that, I just came from Leon's and I had to pick up the table that I bought last week to bring to Vanilla Trail. And so I got it stuffed in here right now. I'm on my way to Vanilla Trail so I can start getting it ready for Airbnb. It's been taking way too long, and this place has got to get up and running because, as I have said over and over again, that the longer it waits to be listed, the less money we're making and the more money we're losing. Okay, well, I'm sitting at a traffic light, and I'm just going to give you guys the update right now. So, here's what's going on. We have lost Legacy as of the 15th. So that's part of the business. That's just the way it is. Sometimes things are going to be good, and then you're going to lose things. And so, Legacy was really good. It was our least performing property, but you know what's amazing is that you lose one and you gain one, right? And so we lost Legacy. We were told probably almost 60 days ago. Our last guest just checked out on Saturday. Okay, we're in there today cleaning. We got to pack it up, all that stuff. And so basically what we're going to do is we are just going to move all the stuff from Legacy to our new property, Brighton. And in my mind, I was joking with Melissa today. I was like, you know what? We might actually get Brighton up before we get Vanilla Trail up. So anyways, I'm heading back to my house real quick to get some tools, and I'm heading over to Vanilla Trail. I'm going to drop this table off, and I'm going to start hanging TVs and pictures. I got to get this place up and ready to go. Okay, so today, again, I'm heading back to Vanilla Trail. It's like day 20. It's still not up and running, and so I got to go ham, really, just getting this thing up and ready to go. So I loaded up the truck. We got lots of art. I put some lamps. I had to buy some night tables, and so I got to take this over to Vanilla. Also, all at the same time, I have Jeanette, our cleaner at Legacy, packing everything, and we're bringing that over to Brighton because we're getting Brighton ready to go as well. I'm going to show you guys that hopefully in this episode. But first, before I go to Vanilla Trail, I got to stop for my daily breakfast at Stacked and get my omelet. All right, just got my Stacked, my omelet. Gonna smash this back, and then we're off to actually pick up Jeanette and then head over to Vanilla Trail. Oh man, I do not know what it is with this place, but I just can't get it ready. So I come today to hang the pictures, and my drill, which I left here, was mistakenly taken by one of my handymen, or handy woman actually. So she took it with her, so I gotta go pick that up. And then on top of all of that, we start doing laundry. I'm telling you guys, this is... I told you I was going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is the bad / the ugly. I get here today, and guess what? The washer's broken. And so we're trying to wash sheets and all the bedding to get the beds ready, and the washer machine is broken. Ah! So anyway, I have a handyman that's coming out, another handyman that's coming out tomorrow to look at the washing machine. Hopefully we can get that up and running tomorrow. And the saga continues. All right, so I finally got my drill. I had to drive 10 minutes there, 10 minutes back, and now I have it. And now we are hanging some art. It's probably gonna be a long night, but it's gonna be fun. Oh, no, it's all good. Just joking. I'm a master. I am now a master of hanging these. I can do them in about 5 minutes. Okay. There we go. We'll hang it up. All right, so I'm using a laser level to put my art up because the art has to be level. And here's the thing, I could use this laser level all day long, and I guarantee you, Melissa's gonna come here and she's gonna look at the art. She's gonna be like, that's crooked. I'm like, no, your eye's crooked. You watch, I'll take a video of it. All right, there she is. I don't know if it's centered yet. You gotta look at it afterwards. Then I'm gonna move it over just a touch. Over, that's about as far over it's gonna go. So, how's it look? All right, that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
What about you, Jeanette?
Perfect.
Looking good? All right, thank you. Okay, on to the next one. All right, so I have these two buttes of a piece of art. And so this is a long hallway. You can probably hear the hollow of the hallway. Hallway! It's nice and loud. But so I actually have two pictures here. I'm going to put one picture probably here and another one here. But there is a lot of space to fill. So I don't know how good it's going to look, but we'll find out once I actually get these pieces of art up. All right, so it's coming along. We finally got this couch in, which looks really nice. I got to get this TV up on the wall. The dining room table I showed you guys from Leon's is here, which is looking really nice. We got that painting hung. So it's coming along, but we still got a lot of room to fill. So this here, we decided finally that this is going to be a games room. All right, let me kind of peel it back for you. There you go. So we're going to make this a games room, which is going to be a lot of fun. And then upstairs, up here, I actually made a loft area, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. All right, so this room's coming along. We're gonna put a TV. I gotta put TV on this wall somewhere. I got this little 32-inch. I mean, maybe a little bit bigger would be nice because of the size of the room. But look at this. It's coming together. Look at that piece of art. That thing is gorgeous. And look at this. You're probably like, how is this all gonna make? It will make sense. Trust me. This room is gonna look immaculate. All right, so I'm gonna go hang probably 2 more pieces of art on the main floor. All right, and then I have to go to Best Buy because I got to go find some 55-inch TVs that are on sale there. Gonna grab those. Probably make a stop at HomeSense. I'm gonna grab a couple extra things. This house is like, it's like all of a sudden there's these little things that we have to buy. So now that I'm doing the games room down here, right? So we're gonna do the games room down here, and then here is gonna be like a little loft office area. So I'm working on that right now. So I gotta find a desk, a chair. Got to get a chair for the master. So this one is definitely going to cost us a little bit more money, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be so worth it. All right, so let me bring you guys up to speed on a couple other things that is happening right now. So first of all, if you guys don't know already, we have to be out of Legacy by the end of the month, which is kind of crazy because Legacy is the name of our business. It was the first property we ever got. And now we are creating a legacy, but we are losing Legacy. However, as you guys probably know, we are moving Legacy over to our new Airbnb that is going to be on Brighton, which is actually just down this street over here. And I'll show you guys Brighton in a couple of days, but it's about a 2-minute drive from Concord and from Vanilla Trail. So here's the bad news. Literally, like our last guest or our second last guest, this doesn't happen very often, but my wife just had she just had like an inkling about it, about these guests. But the last, I think it was the second last guest that we had at Legacy, decided to take the coffee pot. All right, they were making coffee. They decided to take the coffee pot, all right, while it's hot, fresh, hot coffee pot, and place it on a laminate countertop. And I don't know if you know what that does, but it burns a hole. I wish I had a picture. I will get Melissa to put a picture together for me, and you will see it in this video. All right? So that's what they did. They put a coffee pot on a laminate countertop. So anyway, we got some quotes for that today. That's going to cost us about $1,600. Now, the good news is this, and that is that Airbnb has an insurance program called Aircover. And so we actually reached out to the guests, and guess what? The guests denied. Oh, we never did that. Yeah, right. You didn't do it. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Don't lie to me. We didn't do it. We only have guests coming in, and it was fine before you came. So anyway, so we have Aircover, which is a program through Airbnb, and what that allows us to do is when an incident like this happens, we can make a claim with Aircover, and we just submit our receipts and Aircover will reimburse us. And so that's going to cost about $1,600, but we'll get that reimbursed. Okay, so as promised, I told you guys I would show you Brighton, and so I'm at Brighton right now, unpacking my truck from some of the stuff with Legacy. So here it is. So here's Brighton. It's about a 3-minute drive from Vanilla and Concord, all that stuff. And we're unpacking the truck. Here it is. Come on in. This place is nice and brand new. I love it. It's so fresh. Look at this. Bathroom there. This place is nice. I like it. Okay, here we go. I mean, it's not massive, but it's going to be perfect for what we're doing. So here's the deal. That's going to put us at 4 Airbnbs. And tonight, I'm re-signing a lease because we had to fix some things up. I'm re-signing the lease, and this is going to be our 5th one. I'll show you guys that one soon. All right, so we got a lot accomplished today. I don't want to show you all the rooms yet, but I figured I'd show this one. I still got to hang the TVs. I've got the main TV to hang. I've got the TVs to hang in all the bedrooms here. But we are literally just around the corner. I got to finish up the games room. I'm going to order an arcade. I'm going to get like a cool foosball table. It's going to be awesome. And so we're going to wrap it up for this week. And we'll do the reveal in the next episode.